You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I'd be at one.
Welcome back to the Vatsum Tazza 5. We have 6453 via 88. Via 88. 88 is the first train of the night because 87's been delayed. And it's a J train tonight. So what type of J train will it be? Doubleheader or will it be F40 in the middle? What type of J train will it be today? Probably the usual J train. Rev the engine on the end, probably. Yep, P42 at the end today. 100 belt and a 150 unit. Looks like new on 911. New one. We'll see you for 87.